Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 8th, our word of the day is whorl. W-H-O-R-L. Whorl. Whorl is a 5-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Whorl is a circular pattern of lines, with the smallest circle in the middle, surrounded by other circles, each one wider and larger than the previous one. Whorl describes something that looks like loops, a strand of curly hair that boings back up when you pull in and then let it go. A corkscrew, even the track of a roller coaster that spins you in every direction. Similar words include coil, corkscrew, curl, eddy, helix, swirl, twirl, twist, vortex, whirlpool. Examples of sentences using whorl are: from up here I could see detail down to the whirl of brown hair on top of Corey's head. He stared at the whirls and lines of her fingertips. Samuel Tease gutted the car out in a great whirl of dust. She ran her tongue in the whirls of his ear and nibbled the tip. They were in swirls and whirls, in lines and squares. Dark green bristly foliage arranged in dense whorls around slender brittle stems. Make sure to save this new word, whorl, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!